See anything? Distributor looks shot. Could be the timing. Hand me the wrench. Got it. Let's check the plugs. Yeah, good idea. This rust is really stuck on here. Keep at it, we'll get through this. Look at this hole, we need to patch it. Yeah, after this, let's finish this section. See this? The linkage is worn. Yeah, and the fuel line looks cracked. Check the gaskets too. Right, let's test the compression. I'll grab the gauge. Look at this mess. Yeah, checking the seat now. Dashboard looks fried. Still no source. Keep the water moving, don't let it die. Got it, this side is coming clean. Roof's next, hand me that sponge. Almost done here, looks good. Yeah, she'll shine up nice. Keep it steady, don't spill it all. I'm trying, it's heavy and slippery. Back seat's almost clear, one more bucket. All right, one last push, then we can get out of here. This section is almost clean now. Good, I'll finish up this side. Looks good. Check the knobs. Will do. Grabbing the tester. This bolt is tight. Got it. On 3. Okay, next one. Careful with the clips. Almost there. This bolt's giving me trouble. All right, I'll get the tool. Got it. Let's check the other side. Frames aligned. Hand me the panel. Got it. Torque spec is good. Wiring harness is routed. Seat frame in. Moving to the next one. Keep it steady! Yeah! Good. Gone. All's there.